Finally, the Z Fold 6 is following the S series trends. So, what exactly does this mean? This means that the Z Fold 6 will be a cross between the Z Fold 5 and the S24 Ultra. And yes, it will make you happy. Because high-quality render images of the Z Fold 6 have leaked, we have some very promising indications. So let us get started, but first quickly like the video. Why did I say that the phone would be a hybrid between the Z Fold 5 and the S24 Ultra? According to the renders, the Z Fold 6 now has a boxy design similar to the S24 Ultra, with a completely flat screen. The phone's sides are titanium, similar to the S24 Ultra, but its back resembles the Z Fold 5. The triple rear camera system is visible on the back, and the camera island appears larger than last year. The phone's main panel measures 7.6 inches, the same as the Z Fold 5, but the Z Fold 6 is 1.4 millimeters shorter and 2.6 millimeters wider than its predecessor. The Z Fold 6's cover screen is now larger, resembling conventional phones, measuring 6.4 inches and falling between the base S24 and S24 Ultra. The phone's top has 3 microphones and a speaker grill, while the bottom has another mic, a speaker grill, and a USB-C charging port. The power button, which includes an embedded fingerprint scanner and the volume rockers, is located on the right, while the SIM card slot is on the left. Earlier reports suggested that the Z Fold 6 would include a dedicated S Pen slot this year, but it appears that fans will need to use an external case to store the S Pen. There were also reports that the Z Fold 6 would use cameras similar to the S24 Ultra, but recent leaks indicate an improved triple camera setup of 50, 12, and 10 megapixels, which could explain the larger camera island than the Z Fold 5. The main display includes a 4 megapixels under-display camera, while the cover screen has a 10 megapixel selfie camera. The Z Fold 6, like the S24 Ultra, is expected to include AI features and provide 7 years of OS and security updates. OnePlus Open has gained popularity in international markets due to its sleek design and larger display, and last week's renders of the Pixel Fold 2 show it to be wider and slimmer than the Z Fold 6. It remains to be seen whether Samsung's upgrades address fan concerns or are simply a response to competition. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Techtics, signing off.